How to fix Twitter profile photo upload and code reply problem. So if X is showing this permission error when you change your profile picture or upload media or even add media to a code reply, try these fixes. First of all, open up your phone settings and then scroll down. Tap on apps. Inside apps, you have to search for the X application and then search for it. Tap onto it. Make sure photos and videos access is allowed. If it's already allowed, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. Now, search for the X application and then look for updates. If you see any update button, tap onto it and let your application update to its latest version. If you're still having trouble uploading photo, you can open up your phone's gallery, then tap on the share icon. After that, you have to scroll these buttons, tap on more, then select the X app. Now, you can create your post from there. For profile picture or code replies, you can also try using X in your browser until the app issue is resolved. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking.